Hey everyone, welcome back to Single Step English. I'm Steve, and today we're going to tackle one of the most confusing words in the English language, kernel. Now, you've probably heard of Colonel Sanders from KFC, right? Kentucky Fried Chicken. But many of my students see the spelling of this word and struggle to say it correctly. In this video, I'll break it down for you, and soon you'll sound like a native speaker. First, a colonel is a high-ranking officer in the military. But here's the fun part. Even though it's spelled like this, it's pronounced kernel, just like a popcorn kernel. Now, let's talk syllables and stress. The word kernel has 2 syllables. The word stress falls on the first syllable, kernel. Say it for me, kernel. Even though there's actually no R in the word, in English, we do pronounce it with an R sound. Maybe you're asking why. Why is that? Well, I'm going to tell you. The word originally came from Italian, colonello, and then English borrowed it from the French and pronounced it coronel with an R. So we have the modern day spelling with an L, but the pronunciation is kernel. Here's a sentence example that you can use. Colonel Sanders is famous for his secret fried chicken recipe. That's it for today's lesson on kernel. It's a little bit tricky, but with practice, you'll master it in no time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave us a comment, and subscribe to Single Step English for more pronunciation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.